Hey, happy Monday. It's Jana here. And letter M, not just for Monday, but for mind attack. And I just pretty much transcended one of the most massive mind attacks, love the alliteration there, that I've had in one heck of a long time. So, mind attack is when all of a sudden there's these real problems. They're real, legit problems, okay? Like real shit. And you find yourself second guessing yourself, doubting yourself, rehearsing conversations. How should I deal with this person? Suddenly your mood starts to go down. Maybe you get anxious, you want to overeat. Depression sets in, songs start making you cry, that kind of thing. How can I dig myself out of this? What does this person really care about me? It goes on and on and on. Could be about your parents, your children, your clients. It doesn't matter, okay? Could be about money, your security, your feelings of health, worrying. So these mind attacks are always about the pain body. And the pain body makes itself known because it sucks in the way you feel, okay? So we want to come at our problems or our situations in life from a very clean, clear place of inspiration. And that's not going to happen when we've tried to think about the problem multiple times and we can't find a solution. So when you check in, you realize the way I'm feeling inside, which is terrible, is indicative of the pain body, of the mind attack. Then we know right away there's a map of what to do. And it's sit in your meditation chair, stop thinking, okay? That's a practice that you'll get better and better and better at. At first it's hard, but stick with it. You stop thinking, you let it go. You understand that it's the pain body. And once you understand that it's the pain body, there's relief because it really means that you don't have to think about it any longer. Now, inspiration will come. 90% of your problems will disappear. They weren't even problems in the first place. And the ones that literally need some type of wisdom, that wisdom will channel into you as inspiration. So never coming at having a conversation with someone, calling someone, emailing someone, texting someone when you're having a mind attack. That's a no-no. Rather than reach out and try to get your needs met that way, notice it never works anyhow. Sit in your meditation chair, do some breathing, let it go. Or, of course, I can hypnotize you, although that's not what this is about. But if you'd like me to, you know where to find me, mechanicsofgrace.com. Reach out. I'm here to help, okay? M for mind attack. Have a beautiful rest of your week, and we'll talk again soon.